I'm Jonathan Diaz, your dialysis dietitian, and today's recipe will be a quick low potassium mango, guava, and pineapple popsicles. Okay, since you're on dialysis, you must know how much fluids you are eating / consuming, so you have to measure how much fluid your molds hold. Mine hold about 3.5 ounces, so I'll use 2 ounces of juice and 1 ounce of water. And please remember, these are considered low potassium in comparison to the actual fruit. Now, if you want to sweeten it, you can use honey, and if you have diabetes, stevia is just fine. For this video, I made only 2 popsicles for each juice, so I mixed 4 ounces of juice with 3 ounces of water to split it evenly with my 3.5 ounce mold. So, any leftover juice is fine. You can either use it later on for more iced popsicles, or you can simply drink it.
And speaking of drinking, don't forget to limit to 32 ounces per day if you're on dialysis, because of course extra fluid can cause all of these side effects, which we don't want to happen to you. So let's stay away from the hospital and limit your fluids. Thanks. Here's the biggest surprise. Look at these numbers for each popsicle. Low potassium, low sugar or carbs. So yes, it's good for those on dialysis. Without a doubt, give it a try. Now hit the like, subscribe, notification bell to not miss any new content I post every other week or every week, and enjoy these treats.